She came in as a walk-in. Essentially, she was looking to get out of the medical field. She was open and flexible, which is good, especially when you are looking for a career change.
It was actually very simple and effective when I was working with QPS. I went in for the one job, and I decided I loved it here, and so I stayed.
The interview was easy. She practically interviewed me. We talked about her past work, and then we got into hobbies, which is where I saw potential for a JW speaker.
I knew, I knew she had something special. She was very, her attitude, she had a very positive attitude towards just everything, any assignment that we would give her. She was really, really helpful. She was always wanting to do more, made it pretty evident that she wanted to be more.
I got placed here January 2nd actually, and I got hired on April 22nd. The roles I've had here have varied. I started as an assembler, and then I've done problem solving, I've done material handling, I've done training. Pretty much you get your hands into a little bit of everything.
I started working with Cynthia shortly after she started at Speaker for her 30-day review. You can tell she had an eagerness and a drive to learn everything she could about the job and anything she can do to make her performance top-notch.
I think I'm excited. I treat every day as an adventure. Like, what do I get to learn today? What's going to blow up? How am I going to fix it? What am I going to produce? What am I going to get out the door? Who am I going to meet, and what am I going to learn?
She's everything you want in an employee. She's dedicated, she's got impeccable communication skills, and she should be a role model for the rest of our staff.
I think that we got really lucky with Cynthia. She brings this immense amount of energy, positive energy to the team that you just don't see every day. Without her, we wouldn't be where we are here today, so very lucky to have her.
QPS helped me get the job I love, so that's really the best thing.